Twodinnav car stereo with navigation head unit touch 7.1 in screen car stereo double-din car stereo with navigation double-din car stereo with navigation car stereo DVD double-din for Nissan operating system, Windows 6.0. Smart HD resistive touchscreen, HD video playback, 1024x600 HD resolution screen clear, delicate. Real picture sensing, HD picture quality display. Smart Bluetooth chip, automatic bearing. Imported Bluetooth chip, strong signal, automatic bearing with Bluetooth. Compatible with Android, Apple system, background noise cancelling. Provide you with the clear and best sound quality for music play and phone call. Compatible with different kinds of cell phones. GPS navigation, GPS Navi storage, an external 8G SD card for free. Map of North America. Dual zone function, music, Bluetooth can working at the same time while GPS working. The large screen reversing video display. With the assistance of reversing images, you can quickly and easily park your car in the right place, which significantly saves your time and reduces the risk of an accident. Hall quality sound, 10 segment tech, DSP sound effects car class D digital effects. Every reverberation in the car is our dedication to the sound quality, support a variety of lossless music playback. Feel audio visual horizon, convenient and straightforward with more fun, easy to install, complete within 0.52 hours. The car stereo receiver features built-in Bluetooth for music streaming and hands-free calling. The car receiver is compatible with all of your favorite Bluetooth devices and includes a digital phone dial pad display. Soundstick with luxurious and high-end. We use advanced decoder and balanced components, to provide with top sound quality and symphony orchestra. This car built with a beautiful and generous panel, bring your passage the coolest feeling they never experienced, especially to the ladies. Why choose US, better rear camera, can achieve better and brighter display effect, bring your more safe in life. To purchase this product, link in the description.